A Palauan man who allegedly harassed 3 women involved in the controversial Shangri-La Massage and Spa, a subject of the country's biggest human trafficking and prostitution case, is now facing a criminal charge. The Attorney General's office this week filed a criminal case against Candy Baules, Senator Baules' brother, for harassing the women. Baules is reportedly only facing 1 count of disturbing the peace for allegedly threatening and harassing the women at Coffee Beanery, a local cafe where the women currently work. It's not clear what type of threats were made against the women at the time. However, one of the victims who spoke to OTV says she fears for her life and that, quote, she's scared of everything. The 3 women are among a group of women who filed a labor complaint claiming they were forced into sex trade while employed at the massage and spa parlor. The complaint led to the filing of the biggest human trafficking and prostitution case in Palau. OTV was unable to view the case file for more details as the defendant have not been served as of this news report.